have the camera out, don't you? Trying to catch you snoring. You turned your head this way. Not gonna let me catch it, are you? Nope, you're just gonna lay there and be cute. Just gonna play cute boxer dog. And squish the leaf out of my legs. That your way of saying enough's enough? You've had enough?